Hi! Today I'm going to tell you about my latest kitchen companion. A companion that can cook, heat and defrost almost anything. The LG Solo Microwave Oven with glass door. Its antibacterial cavity reduces bacteria growth inside the cavity and hence avoids odor formation. It also helps in easy cleaning. LG's patented iWave technology makes cooking faster and healthier by circulating microwaves evenly inside the cavity. The Health Plus menu offers multiple options for health and calorie-conscious folks. LG Solo Microwave Oven has 44 auto-cook menu options with preset cooking time and temperature that help you cook with ease and convenience with just a click of a button. So bring home LG Solo Microwave Oven and make your life easier.